Hello everyone, we are Cozy Themes. Today we're going to talk about how to install our plugin and activate it as a whole process. So let's head to the WordPress dashboard. Okay, heading over to the plugins tab and go to the add new plugin section and search for our plugin Cozy Blocks. So this is our plugin. Now let's install it. It may take up to a few minutes. And here we go. Let's activate our plugin. After activation, you will be redirected to this page. So this is a mandatory step in order to activate our plugin, which sends a confirmation link. So after clicking the allow and continue button, you would get a confirmation link in this email, which is the WordPress admin email. So you can confirm the admin email in this section as well. So let's check our confirmation link. So this is a confirmation link. After you confirm your email, you would be redirected to the dashboard page. So as you see, an account tab has popped up after the confirmation. So this. Now let's check our blocks. So these are our blocks. We have a few of them as premium blocks and most of them are free blocks. Now in order to use this block, you can head up to the pages section and head to any of the page, and you can find our blocks registered under the category Cozy Blocks. So currently these are our free blocks showing up in the editor tab. This is a progress bar, and you can get the settings for this block in the right hand side, and you can edit like this, and the styles for this block are in the styles tab, and the general settings are these. Now let's check the changes. Okay. Now let's talk about how to become our premium user. Now head back to the dashboard page and you can find our pricing and plans, and you can purchase from here as well. These are our packages, so you can buy accordingly. And after you click the upgrade down button, this redirects to the freemium account. So you can enter your details here and review your order, or you can hit up to the cozythemes.com and head to the pricing and plans, and you can find the price listings here as well. So click on the buy new button, and you can proceed accordingly. Now after the completion of your purchase, you'll be receiving a license key in your email. So in order to activate our premium version, you do not need any external packages downloaded from the freemium account. All you need to do is head up to the account section in the dashboard, and you can add the premium license key after clicking the activate license button, and add the license key you just got in your email and click the activate license button. And that's all. You have your premium plan upgraded. So you have the access to our premium blocks as well. Now let's check some of our premium blocks. So you can enable and disable them as per your need. So to verify them, let's head up to a random page, and you can see some of our premium blocks have appeared. Okay, so if you have if the accounts tab hasn't popped up yet, you can just hit the confirmation link which is sent to the admin email, which is, you can check the admin email in that section as well. So if you have confirmed the email a while ago, you can check the email by hitting our cozy blocks handle. So you'll find our confirmation link eventually. After you click this confirmation link, you'll be redirected to the dashboard page again, and hence you'll get the accounts tab popped up now. So that's all guys. Thanks for watching.